Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Aulia Julia Astante, student ID number 23041100107 from the English Education Study Program, PBIC class. The title of my research is The Correlation Between Online Reading Habit and Reading Comprehension Achievement of 8th Grade Students at Junior High School in Palembang. In today's digital era, students spend a lot of time using smartphone and the internet for reading activities. However, most students tend to read entertainment content such as social media posts, short video, and online chats rather than educational text. This becomes a real problem because reading comprehension is an important skill in English learning. Many students still have difficulties understanding the main idea, vocabulary, inference, and detailed information in the text. Profile students also show different findings. Some studies found a significant positive correlation between online reading habits and reading comprehension, while other studies found only a low correlation. Because of this inconsistent result, I'm interested in conducting this research, especially for 8th grade students in Palembang. Based on the background, the study has two research questions. The first question is, what is the correlation between online reading habits and reading comprehension achievement of 8th grade students at junior high school in Palembang? And the second question is, to what extent does online reading habit contribute to reading comprehension achievement? Meanwhile, the objective of this study are to identify the correlation between two variables and to determine the contribution of online reading habit toward reading comprehension achievement. The study discussed three main concepts. The first is reading comprehension, which means the ability to understand an internet-written text. The second is reading habits, which refers to the frequency and consistency of reading activities. Students who read regularly usually have better vocabulary and understanding. And the third is online reading habit, which focus on reading behavior in digital environments such as website, online article, and social media. Several previous studies support this topic. Some researchers found a positive correlation between reading habits and reading comprehension achievement, while others found that many other factors also influence comprehension. This slide explains the relationship between the two variables in my study. The independent variable is online reading habit, while the dependent variable is reading comprehension achievement. In this study, I want to examine whether students with better online reading habits also have better reading comprehension achievement. The correlation coefficient or R value will show the stretch and direction of the relationship, while R square will show the contribution of online reading habit toward reading comprehension achievement. In this study, I use a quantitative correlational design because I meant to examine the relationship between two variables without giving treatment to the students. I conducted this research at SMP 29 Palembang and SMP 23 Palembang. To collect the data, I used two instruments. The first is an online reading habit questionnaire consisting of 25 statements using a 5-point Likert scale. The second is a reading comprehension test in multiple choice form. Before collecting the data, the instruments are tested for validity and reliability. After the data are collected, I analyze them using SPSS through normality testing, Pearson correlation analysis, and simple linear regression with a significant level of 0.05. The population of this study consists of 413 8th grade students from 13 classes and into school. The sample consists of 126 students selected from 4 classes, and this research I use cluster random sampling because the sampling unit is the class, not individual student. First, all classes are given codes, then the classes are randomly selected using a digital randomizer. The sample is considered representative and sufficient for correlational analysis. Okay, in this conclusion, this research is expected to provide useful information about the relationship between online reading habit and reading comprehension achievement about junior high school students. Hopefully, the findings of this study can help teachers encourage students to develop better online reading habits in learning English. Okay, this enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.